welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have a finale for you. A bittersweet finale because I do not know if this project is coming back next year. Steph and Delynn created this amazing project, Partners in Cream. I have been doing it since it started. I want to say it was 4 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago. I think it was 4, but don't quote me on that because I can't remember things lately. Anyway, it is a project that is 11 months long. Started January 10th, goes to December 10th. It is all about your non-powder makeup products, though in recent years people have been putting other non-makeup things in that are liquid or cream or whatever, since, you know, pretty much everything that is non-makeup is cream or, you know, liquid or something like that. So it would make sense because those products go off faster, and the idea behind this project was to get those products used up before they dry out or they go bad or whatever. This project actually, it kind of like restored a fondness for liquid and cream products as far as makeup is concerned. So in some ways it's been beautiful, in some ways it's been a little bit detrimental to my inventory, but I love it anyway. So yeah, I have been working on this stuff, and I was really hoping that I was going to meet goal on everything but one. The mascara that I put in much later in the year, I knew I wasn't going to finish that. I want to say I brought that in like in the last month or two, and there was no way I was going to finish a full-size mascara in the amount of time, but I wanted to bring it in for usage. I used it, so I guess technically goal met on that one. And then there was one that I didn't meet goal on. But let's get into the actual products that I am rolling out. Well, they're all rolling out because it's a finale, Jessica. Pay attention. The ones that I did reach my goal on. All right, so the first one was from Bobbi Brown. It is the Pot Rouge. I had the color Velvet Plum. My goal was to hit pan. Sorry about the messy, like, outer edge because I did not clean it up. My goal was to hit pan, and I did that, because this is for your cheeks as well as for your lips. And I was originally using it just on my cheeks, and I love it for that. It is beautiful. It looks insanely dark, but it does sheer out very nicely. See, if you look at it like that, it looks kind of crazy pants. But if you put it on and sheer it out, it is absolutely beautiful, and I enjoy that. And if you can hear my husband out there in the other room, he is hacking up a lung. I don't know if he got the vid or if it's allergies or what's going on, but he's not feeling well. He's actually sleeping, sitting up in a recliner so he can breathe. Poor guy. Enough about how my husband's not feeling so well. This is beautiful as a blush. It looks very different on the lips. It looks just like this on the lips. I do like it, and I have used it that way, but it's not something I can wear with every look because it doesn't sheer out. It looks very, you know, plummy like that, which if I'm doing a cool look, then I'm all for it, but not so much for, you know, like everyday wear. If I had not used it on my lips, there's no way I would have hit pan on this because you can see it's very small, narrow pan, but I did use it in both ways, on my cheeks and on my lips. So I did officially hit pan on that one. So I'm very happy about that. It is a new product into my collection. I did get it in this year. So I'm not in a hurry to finish it, but I did want to get some usage on it, get to really know the product, and I figured by hitting pan on it, I would figure out if I really liked it or not, which I really do. So I'm happy to have it in my collection, and I'm happy to put it right back in my drawer and use it later. The other one that I was able to meet goal on is another one that I wanted to hit pan on. This is a Supershock blush from Colourpop. This is in virtual reality. My friend Misty sent this to me, and my goal was just to hit pan, and I have done that. I made quite a bit of progress on this. You can see like the shape and size of the brush that I was using, because I would just like put it in there and swirl, and sometimes I would use my fingers, but most of the time I was using a blush brush with this, like a cream blush brush, and that is why that dip looks like really wide and kind of strange. I feel like if I was to put this in a project next year, I probably could finish it without any problem. But there are some other ones that I've had longer that I probably will work on. But I enjoyed this quite a bit. It was nice having two cream options, one in a cooler tone and one in a warmer tone, and I was able to hit pan on both of those. So those were goal met. The two that I was not able to meet my goal on, like I said, one was this mascara. This is from Benefit. It is the Fan Fest Fanning and Volumizing Mascara. I do really like it. I have it on today, one coat, and I feel like it does enough. I could do two coats and I would have much more voluminous lashes, but for the most part, I am a one coat kind of girl because I don't want spider lashes, and yeah, I really do like that one. So I will continue to use that one, and yeah, it'll eventually get done. Probably in January is when I'm thinking it's going to be done. I don't think it's even going to get done this year, so you know, I'm just going to keep working on it. And the last one is one from Colourpop. This is a Jelly Much, which I absolutely love the Jelly Much. They're hard to finish. I have never finished one completely, but this one is from the, I guess, the Villains collection, and it is so pretty. It's in the shade Spindle. I brought it in for 10 uses. I only used it 5 times, and I feel like if I wasn't in like crunch time to try and finish so many goals before the end of this calendar year, I probably would have gotten the other 5 uses without any problems. But I feel like I'm just like scrambling to finish so much stuff or to hit pan on so many things, and I can't deal with that hair right there. I can't finish all the things and all the goals, so I'm just kind of trying to do the best I can and split time between projects and products and have like even usage throughout stuff, because I don't want to, like, say have 3 empties or goals met in this one and have none in another project, because that update or that finale is going to be completely boring. So I try to spread that out, and you know, I just wasn't able to do it. But I did use it 5 times. I'm very happy that I did get those 5 uses on it. It will go back in my collection because I love it. It is absolutely beautiful, and at some point I will pan that to completion. So that is everything for this finale. I really hope this is coming back next year because I enjoy it so much. But Steph and Dylan both have lives that are going on. I'm assuming they're busy because they have not been posting as much, and I haven't heard mention of whether it has come back or not. And I don't know. If it comes back, I will be doing it again. Cross my fingers that that is the case, and I guess we will just have to wait until the posted finales from both of those beautiful ladies and see if they happen to mention whether or not this is coming back next year. So keep your fingers crossed, and like I said, if it does come back, I will be doing it again. Steph and Dylan will be listed down below. If there's a playlist of everyone that's joined in, they're going to be listed down below as well. And that is everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.